How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Biban Mesnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Facebook account. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you wanna go ahead and open up Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, you wanna tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you wanna tap on the settings or the gear icon just below it. Once under settings and privacy, you wanna select the option, or you wanna tap on the option that says account center at the very top. You can see you wanna simply head into account center option. Once you head into account center, there you'll be able to see list of options. Under account settings, you can see the second option, personal details, right here. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the option that says account ownership and control. Tap on it, and then you want to tap and select deactivation or deletion. Once here, you want to select the particular Facebook account that you wish to delete, and once you tap on it here, you'll get the option to deactivate or delete. Now, in order to delete your account, you want to make sure that the blue circle is on the delete account option. To do so, you'll have to simply tap on it and make sure that it is on delete account. Now, once you do so, you want to tap on continue. It'll ask you why, and you want to go through certain prompts, enter in your Facebook password, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.